This is a video for use of Microsoft Copilot for learning about municipal infrastructures. So why this video? So there are certain learning objectives which will cover this video. So the first of all is learning opportunity for free, and is being assisted by large language model. And Microsoft Copilot has been used for getting information in real time from a website. We will use case study method. So we will be using district of West Vancouver GIS map, which is located in British Columbia, Canada. So brief view of our exercise. So this exercise will be taken by browsing different areas of the West map. So you will have opportunity to learn through some interactive environment. So we will be checking data for storm, sanitary and water infrastructure. And I will demonstrate how we can leverage of the data. This is a overview of district of West Vancouver and their system. On west side you can see an overview of this area of district. Is from the red polygon is showing where this is located in British Columbia, Canada. On the east side you can see the boundaries of the district of West Vancouver. So the learning objectives for this video is first of all you will learn how to use GIS maps. In the background of GIS map, I will be showing you how to use Microsoft Copilot for getting information from a website or the web page. A high overview of storm, sanitary and water infrastructure will be taken. I will take you through all these infrastructures and see what's being offered by the Webmap and these options, and what are the options provided by the municipality. I will also show how to use those options as learning opportunity and skill development. And there is a free access to the proprietary data which is being released under license. The viewer can download and use it for their skill development at no cost. So who can get benefits out of it? It's Engineers Without Border. So any engineer who is watching this video can understand, can get benefit, can download the data, and they can use for the building maps. They can practice for designing purpose. Any time they can use it. The second beneficiaries of this video will be engineering or GIS students. So whether you are experienced or recent graduate in civil or water resources engineering, you will have equal opportunity to learn from this website. And consulting engineers who want to have some good idea about land development, they can also benefit. And for those engineers who are working in municipalities and they want to learn how to access the data, So they can learn from here and they can apply the knowledge in their work setting. And lastly, users of Webmap. So whether they are the resident of the West Vancouver or they want to use this map, so they can also have some understanding and leverage how to use. So it's a high overview. So I took this data from website, and the land information is around 87.18 kilometers square, and the highest elevation 1440 meter, lowest elevation 0. So from these elevations you can have some good idea about how high this area is. It's a hilly area, and the population is 44,122, and the estimated for 2022 is 45,406. Density is 506 kilometers square. So these are some numbers for this area. So the other thing which I want to show you is open data. So you can just write down district of West Vancouver open data, and you can find this information from Google. And here you can see you can have data in different formats like shape format, drawing format, FGDB, and Excel format. So you can have these data like for water shapefile, a shapefile for sanitary infrastructure. You can get shapefile for stormwater infrastructure. So this is a vast map, the overall view, and we will browse this area and go to different areas and see how to get information out of this web map. So let's begin our journey. Here you are watching channel Civil Engineering with Raza. Today I will introduce municipal infrastructure of water, wastewater and stormwater. So for this we will go to the website District of West Vancouver, and this is the open source data which we will browse, and here you can see some shapefile. You can have access to those shapefiles, and now we are going to maps which is being offered by District of West Vancouver under licensing conditions. And now we are accessing the website, and after getting agree with the terms and condition, now we have a west map, and here you can see some information like available for this west map, and zoom out like initial view, bookmark. So this type of information we can print. We will go ahead and search out these information when we do our journey. And here you can see like some drawing maps, and here we have option for measurement and find data, so we can do that. And on the toolbar you can see we can zoom in, zoom out with this map data. So these are certain things we can do with this map, and I am just showing you browsing some different areas. For example, we are looking at some drive, some avenues. On the layers panel you can see something like we can filter layers. For example, I am showing storm, and we can select storm utilities, and we can turn off layers. And here you can see utilities turn off, turn on, and all those layers are available. So now we will be looking at utilities switching from sanitary to water. So I zoom out, and you can see I am browsing to some other areas of the district, and here you can see looks like there is some subdivision. You can see I turn on some utilities, water utilities, and you can see here, and this utilities we can go, and we can check certain things here. So now this time I will not go to browse some other information, but here you can see we can share this information from this map, and we can go to, we can select image, and the cool thing which I am here seeing here is including georeference data. That's very good. And we can select, we can create image, and there are different formats which is being supported, and we can view image, and this is the way we can go. And I am seeing this is some chat option I am showing, and that's all here. And other information which is we will be looking at export a map image, and which we are seeing here, and then this goes, and we can export, we can print. And for the printing option which I am showing you here is we can make some customized title. For example, I am writing title test, and here we can print here, and we can change the resolution, we can change the output format, we can change whether we have landscape. Here you can see that I printed, and I can open the document. From this document you can see what a wonderful map. Automatically everything is there. So legend is there, and scale is there. It's full flash map, and you can also see the what word I write test is what there. And you can use this map for the presentation. Even if you want to go to municipality and you can show this, that's fine, wonderful. Another thing I am showing here is identify rectangle, and that's very cool option which I want to show you here. So we can go to a different way. Is showing the tabulation of information, just browsing for you. And then another thing is so there is a lot of features, and we can export map. One thing which is I like most is export to shapefile. So that's I am going to show you what we can do for that. And we can say okay, and then we can go, it's downloading. So I am waiting for the download, and when it's finished I will go there, and let's go there and find what happens with our download. So just waiting for a moment for completing the download. And once download is complete, we can have a look there what's happening with the download. So let's wait for a moment, and everything is there, like it's waiting, and let's see what's happened. And now the download is complete. I closed this window and go here for the draw option, and upload file, and from upload file choose file, and this is another option. We can add data to the map. What I am showing here is we can upload the data which we exported. Now it's here. So all those shape file which we exported, I brought it back to the map, and you can see I turned off shapefile. There are two shapefiles. One is for the pipes and one is for the polygons. And you can see so there is some built-in colors. So I think we can check, we can change it. You can try it out. You can make different experiment with this one, and let's see. It's showing here, and on second page you can see page, and we can go for the as-built drawing. So this is the file which is already there. Like it's not our file which we uploaded. So this is the GIS file which already there. So let's check. Turn off this layer, water utility layer. Now we can see our layer which we took from upload. So now you can see I am just showing what information we can get from this layer, and I will experiment one more thing to show what's being exported. And for this purpose I will use another software which is free, and you can also try out. That software name is QGIS, which you can use for that. For example, let's wait for our program. So we are waiting for that, and so we will open shortly QGIS. For those who are not aware of, QGIS is a software for GIS, and it's open source software, and you can download it and you can use it, and there is a lot of information for the modeling, for the water, wastewater and stormwater. We can bring some GIS feature to that. I will make another video on some QGIS capabilities for modeling, and don't miss that video. So let's wait for that, and so I am waiting for that software to upload. So I turned off and turned on again, and then going some other way. Now we are on another map, and this time we will be going to sanitary utilities. As you can see, I turn on the sanitary utilities. I am going to zoom out those areas. I want to go to some other areas so that we have some better look of other areas too. And I just using pan tool, and here you can go to some other areas. So for this area, another area, this is a random area, and you can see some other infrastructures like sanitary infrastructure. So for sanitary infrastructure, you can see flow directions, pipe flow directions for the sanitary sewer flow. And here again, I am showing you some asset PK. This is the ID, and another page we can go here and we can see here, and we are looking at something, some more information available as per the asset, and some information is for the asset management purpose. Some can be used for the hydraulic modeling. So this type of things are available here, and as we can see more things, and these are the information I am showing you another way. And you can see with the chatbot, I am writing some another prompt, and this time I am changing something, and I want to know the service size of this asset. So let's see what information we can get through chatbot. And chatbot is working, thinking, and this says that this information, so right now it's not understand my query, and it's giving me some information, but this is not the right information with what I was looking at. And you can see that I can copy again my prompt, and then I can paste my prompt here to in order to have some better productivity, some time saving. We can see here, and here I am writing another thing, like I am making some changes. So I wrote down, instead of some general information, I wrote down the sanity. So give this some better idea what I am looking for. And now you can see this give me some information about service. So this says 4-inch diameters, so they are absolutely correct, because it's 100 millimeter diameter. It's automatically converted. I don't know, I didn't ask to convert, but it's converted. So you can see here another tips I can give you. You can even write down if you need something in another unit, so that can be done for unit conversion. Another thing which I am showing is generating report, and this report is ready for the sanity service report. And you can see here that sanity service information is here, and the service connection which I choose, I selected, is showing everything here. So anyone who wants some service information can get from here report, and this report they can print out, and they can use for their purposes if they want to show this information to the municipality. So this is another option available here. Now I am writing prompt for other thing. For example, I want to know the house or service house number. So that I want to know whether this data is connected with the house number. So that's I am checking here, and we will see that what information we will get out of this. So just writing my prompt, you can make some experiment writing a prompt differently, and you might have some different answer. So that's you can see here with the help of Copilot. No, this don't understand my prompt, or might be if I rephrase it, then they might give some other option. So just I am showing how you can use like Copilot for assessing information from infrastructure. So that's a cool way to do. Just use the technology. And again I have selected the pipe, and I am showing here pipe ID, and the other thing is I am writing again. There is something other thing which I want to check here. For example, I want to know the list of houses connected with the pipe. So just I want to see whether it's giving me all the information of the connections. So let's see what will happen. So I am writing here, and I gave sanitary ID that they understand, and now let's see what will happen. So the current website is they are saying some answer, and connections is saying searching, but it's not giving me the answer which I want. All those pipes, all those lot information, or the plot in lot information, residence information is not giving. So I'm not expecting that much smart way to do, but you can browse and you can check some other way. So just I am giving some hints, so how you can use this technology. Now we will look at Webmap municipal infrastructure. On this is utility layers, and I am going to show you how many layers are available on this map. And for the utilities, storm utilities, so I turn on those layers. Now you can see those lines appearing on the map, and this is some area area I have selected at random. And here you can see pipelines are going, catch basins are there, they are connected, and I have selected one sewer line. And here on this map, sewer line is shown by asset PK, and every asset has some unique ID which the program understands. And one thing which I want to show you is the Copilot I have attached with this one. And from this Copilot you can see using Webmap. So I turned on just this will browse only this page, and this is the available on Copilot. So I am chatting with Copilot, I am writing some prompt here, and then I entered the prompt, and now you can see it's answering me. So my prompt was about the diameter of some asset ID I wrote down, and this was not the right prompt. So I am not getting the right answer. I want to know the asset ID and diameter. So now let's try again. So now I am writing what is diameter of storm and main, and you can see it's auto completing my prompt. So this is the AI feature which is this bot is using. So you can see now I entered, and from my prompt is assessing data, and you can see it's saying 300 millimeter diameter. So it's very correct, and we can see that the main size is 300 millimeter. So in this way we can get information just writing. We should know what we are looking for, and this AI tool will help us to find the information. And here another tool I am using. We can copy our prompt, and instead of writing again, we can write the prompt again. And here you can see we can make some changes to our prompt. So in this way we can have more efficiency here. So for example, I want to know start invert of this pipe diameter. So I am writing this one, and let's see what happened. and I entered the prompt, and here you can see it's accessing the map, and so it's saying I am sorry because this might not have some good idea about those areas, like this information. Sometimes this happens because this can access the information, but sometimes this is no, sorry, we can't give. Another thing which I am showing here you is the PDF as built drawing, and the PDF is available here, and anyone can have access and can go to PDF document, and it's very good tool, cool tool for the engineers, for the learners, for the consultants who are working for this area, so they have opportunity to get access directly, and they don't need to wait for their municipality to get information. So this is a very good tool, and you can see here we can go to, like we can see diameter of the pipe, and we can have more information, like we can have some manholes, and we have some flow directions you can see for the minor system data, and we can have some information for major system data too. So that will help to understand how some system is working. And here we can have another information, like we can have some lot information, and it's being assessed in 2 pages, so we can hover over and browse other pages for more information. So let's go to some other areas, and we can go downstream side, and here along with the street you can see so pipes are connected, and it's a very good example of some network. So pipes are interconnected with, and here another thing which I want to show you is so here you can see some area where might be some overland flow, you can see, and here you can see with this area, this is showing legal description of this avenue, some more information in 3 pages. So it's being is the way the GIS data is stored, and here we can go to some downward, and I am showing here for some other maps areas, so we can see latitude and latitude and longitude of these areas, and we can browse some another thing which I want to show is because of the West Vancouver, so there are a lot of creeks there because of this area, and you can see another infrastructure type here, and this is creek here, and from the creek we can go here, and then we can see some other thing like the avenue information we can have here. We have some road infrastructure, and this is crossing and here we can see some select I have selected something, and you are seeing the more information about this area. So I just browsing here and there to show you what are there for this area. So you